President. What are the parts? What is traction? What is traction? Traction. What is traction? Pulling and drawing. Which is
Traction.
Okay. So what is the traction? The weight of the patient and the weight makes counter traction. Saan doon ang counter traction? It is the
Away from the body.
yes, it is the nagitay may apply nga way isot mahuna counter traction. Indications for the affection of the hip, femur, tibia, and supracondylar of the uterus. Humerus.
Joke ba yun?
Ang mali. Uterus.
What is the supracondylar?
Of the humerus. What is your humerus pala?
Ganun. Ganun. Ganun.
What is supracondylar?
Above your toe. Above your knee. That is your supracondylar part. Okay? Or you also call it your distal third of the humerus. Or the femur. Okay? But you have your humerus, supracondylar part of the femur. Okay? Parang naman ng bone yan eh. It's the distal third.
Long bone.
Dati ko ito lang, dati ko majay femur. So we have three parts. We have the proximal third, the middle third, and your distal third. So above, this is the condylar process. So above the condylar process, wala rin ko kaya ginawag siyang supracondylar. This is supracondylar. Okay? Kasi above is above the knee, or the proximal, the distal third. So it's supracondylar fracture. Okay?
Okay, purposes. What are the purposes of fracture? Fracture. To provide immobilization, to prevent or correct deformity, to reduce pain and muscle spasm, to reduce fracture, to maintain good body alignment and for support. Okay, so in the application of traction, we have the what do we call this one?
Balkan
frame. So, what are the parts of the Balkan frame? We have the four vertical bars.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Four vertical bars. Two horizontal bars.
1, 2.
One diagonal bar.
1, 2.
Wala!
Diagonal ko na jay. So, diagonal.
Makita yun doon, daw puso ka, Balkan frame dyan or so.
Huwag
ka na assuming lang dito.
Walang diagonal on next.
Two straight or crossbar.
But, ito apat din dito eh. 1, 2, 3, 5. Ito, ito. Dapat yun, hindi ko makita diagonal letter. Kung sa bali sa basit lang. Dapat maka-jump from there to there.
Nagpudo ni sa Rachel ni.
I-JP
Wow!
One
Si
curve
Rachel
bar.
mo nagkaroon.
Ito, curve bar.
One firm mattress.
Actually, kasoy, i-J ortho, dahil ka curve. Kasoy, agkas jay. Okay?
Kuma. Yan kumimit.
Sa balimet, oh.
Okay, so one firm mattress.
Okay.
One curve. One fracture board.
With
There is no
Awan.
fracture board.
Awan ba ito?
So, gather equipment needed for the BSP. We have the amotay dito yan.
sine?
Ano ang nire? Thomas.
Thomas Flynn.
Sorry. Pearson.
Person.
Pearson attachment.
System R.
Person R. Attachment.
Ano na? Rest. For 3 sashes. 4 sashes.
Five yan. Ay, sash
3 ma'am.
4.
5. Ay, sash 3.
3.
Oh.
Ala, 4 data. 4. Kita
Saan?
4.
Court sash nga.
4 sashes. Ay,
Isa lang yun.
ay.
Yes!
Apa ito? Bulbululak na.
So we have the suspension rope, the longest, the traction rope, the not long, not short, and the shortest. Iron.
Ni Miss Borden ito. Napala ni Miss Borden.
Likod mo, ma'am. Allah.
Next.
Kasi tayo, demo ka to dito eh. Matapos kita, luka tayo. Okay, 5 sleep.
Ilan yun, Yuan?
Ang lalo, baka sa
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, 5 lang dito ha. 5 sleep or paper cup.
Paper cup? Paper clip?
Paper cup.
Next.
Paper clip. 3 pulleys.
1, 2,
And extra pulley. Weight. The weight.
Wait,
Suspension weight.
what is,
One.
this is your traction weight, which is 10% of your body weight, and this is your suspension weight, which is 50% of. Tama?
Okay. You have
Ano
also
tama. Traction weight, 10% of your body weight. So if you are 150 pounds, 10% of that. And then your suspension weight is 50% of your traction weight.
Okay, so you have also your overhead strap.
Overhead strap.
Steinman pin.
Steinman pin iting, ha? Ito yung Steinman pin.
Kirchner's wire holder.
It's Steinman pin holder to. Hindi naman to Kirchner's wire eh. Okay?
Steinman pin. Footboard.
Footboard.
One end.
Okay. Let's go. Start.
So, okay, you look at the, assemble the Thomas clamp and Pearson attachment. Makita yung batas? Assemble. So you have to measure the length of the leg in the Thomas clamp. Pearson attachment. Estimate, measure the length of the thigh to ensure that the screws of the Pearson is in line with the knee. The Pearson's attachment must be under the Thomas clamp.
Here's the attachment.
Must be under the
The
Thomas
Thomas clamp.
clamp.
Okay.
Mount the Pearson's and the rest is clamp. Apply the sling.
Wait.
Apply the sling.
Ikat ko din yan.
Start from the medial side. Ay, sorry.
Okay?
Apply the sling. Start from the medial side to the lateral side.
So, bad. Ay,
Lateral
bad,
side na.
good. Or right side,
On wrong side.
wrong side.
Kaya nagdalitan natin.
Medial. This is the medial Kasi nung kumataod pa,
Medial
the ulo na.
side
Oh,
to
di
the
ba
lateral.
nakakagay?
Secure
Ano?
both ends together.
Wait.
Fan fold nicely on the lateral aspect and secure with a pin or clip. Tulungan niyo, antap na lang po yung
Wrong, good
Direction
side.
there.
Okay,
Observe. Okay. These are the principles in sling application, ha?
Lago yun din.
Not too tight and not too loose.
Ito yung
1
i-fold mo pa
inch
lang siya.
distance in between the slings
Hindi pa mo braam
to
na eh.
promote
Hindi,
aeration
bang
or
yan.
ventilation. Completion area and heel portion should be free from any sling. Its smooth and right side should come in contact with the patient's skin to avoid friction and irritation. 2 longer and wider slings for the thigh portion, stomach, and the 3 for the leg area.
Convert, kung tulad ka na.
Basta kami dati, clip tayo dapat tagbas
Ako
ka.
pag kami naglago doon sa piso. Ano para kidi? So the tie rope, tie the tie rope shortest.
Convert kung tulad naman.
One-fold ko na.
Clip mo lahat na. Lumabas ito. Saan ulit naman tight? Oh, sige, go.
Yeah. Come on.
Banana.
Lalo ka tao.
Okay, but it
Pwede rin.
Kerwin.
Diyan.
At one Kerwin.
Okay. Tie the tie rope shortest.
Nagatoy!
Alimatak.
We need so many heads.
Ano, makita yung atlas, baka di yung makikita nga. Sigurado yung makita yung
Hindi, magkakaabi kayo.
Okay.
Boys Avenue.
Thank
Magkano?
Sa folding girl lang. Ang lang.
Pwede na makita mo.
Okay?
Tie the tie rope. Ano? Tie the tie rope.
Ano tayo?
Tie rope. Shortest rope. And the medial aspect of the stomach
Using?
with a slip strap.
Okay,
Slip strap. And secure the other end of the rope at the screw of the piercer.
Nice.
And then?
And then,
Sumupilad to eh.
insertion of the apparatus. Insertion of the apparatus under the affected extremity. That there are 3 manpower needed. 1 person to insert the whole apparatus under the affected extremity. 2nd person to perform manual traction to be released after the attachment.
Ito lang. Tapos yung makeup na mo. Oh, sige na. First person, singular.
First person to insert the whole apparatus.
Oh, yung M, insert the whole apparatus.
Under the affected extremity.
Affected extremity. Next, second person.
10 person to
Oh, second
perform
person.
manual traction.
You
to be
perform
released
manual traction.
after the attachment of the
After the attachment of the traction rig. Ano. Next, third person.
third person
To support.
to support lift the affected extremity.
Okay, start. Nag-give it instruction eh.
Go.
Insert.
Magkatem, first person. Kasi dali sa ka na, di ba? Kasi kat mangin sa rec. Okay? Ang mga adang ito dito talaga, itong kataon ada ka screen na. Second person, you apply manual traction. So,
Siyempre, agad mo di
Kastoy.
operating room sa pasyente.
Saan na yun?
Saka manual traction. Agad mo operating
ano
room
na?
dito.
Ay, nasa talaga dito, promise.
Guyudum dito na sir.
Well, guyo dem.
Guyo dem,
Saka manual traction, ano?
Hoy, basta, dapat na basit pero sana kastoy.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
And then, nilumatak, sikat mang-support is ibaba na.
Sir,
Kasi natagsan dito eh.
may cut
Okay?
sa
O, go.
Third person.
O, first person, ginado mo na.
The affected extremity.
Second person, hindi ka.
First person to insert the whole
Sige, bang,
apparatus
sino ko ba na mang-support lang? Nilumatak yung mga ano.
under the affected extremity.
Pistoy.
That the first person, iusok mo, no? Hindi ka siyempre naka... Second person, naka manual traction.
Saan talaga? Sige, may eksena. Ano, 3D dyan, nakenda.
Sabali na tao, DJ.
Kaya kami, may batang data. O, nalpas yung lumatak yung branan. Nalpas yung bramon. Tapos, hindi ko bramnet. Okay.
Pasyente, dito nga, nakuha yung room na isang pilitin.
Tapos na ito, bram, siguyod mo. O,
Manual.
next, instruction.
Tapos, third person. Now, patient, this is to be done simultaneously.
Well.
Count to three, wala na.
Well.
Instruction to the patient. Hold on to the trapeze.
Mhm.
Flex the unaffected leg.
Yung umakar, di ba magana?
Simultaneous with the insertion of the back or lift the back up to the affected leg. Kaya, okay.
Lumayakap, di
The
gaya.
principles of the sling application are followed. Set the alignment and make the necessary
Adjustment. Okay?
Naka-align.
Okay. When,
Application of the application of the traction weight.
Okay.
One end of the traction rope, the longer rope,
Mhm.
is attached to the styrman pin holder with a slip knot.
Slip knot man eh.
Mm.
Okay. The other end is to run along the third pulley attached and then attach
Girl.
attach the first thread to it.
Atas, ano to? Hindi ba tayo?
50.
Ano ka tayo? Ano ka? Okay, oh.
Nadagdag yan. Yan nadagdag.
Ako, nagsakit.
Application of the suspension weight.
Kahit ano na, kahit ano.
Ano pa ganyan?
The usual.
What do you call this one?
Tayo.
Ito ba?
Suspension.
Man, suspension din yun eh.
Suspension. Traction.
Traction weight.
Traction
Traction.
Traction.
Bamon. May natin, ba't amon? O, nabuyo din. Nagas nyo, dapat ahaan talaga nga.
Kasi ito fracture na, di ba? Double distal end. Third distal third.
Next.
Alright.
Sige. Insert the end of the suspension rope to the first pulley. Insert the end of the suspension rope to the first pulley.
First pulley.
Ano?
Eh,
Ito kasi. Sige na.
Application of the loose end of the tie rope is attached to the lateral aspect.
So, dapat ahaan wala nga na, ano silang paligyo.
Loose end of the tie rope
The loose end, to the
to the
lateral.
lateral aspect of the ischial ring. With a slip knot.
Bawal ang camera.
Pirated.
Attach the
Isi
suspension
atay pa lang yung
rope.
Oh. Attach the
Attach the suspension rope longest. At the
longest.
mid part of the tie rope
mid part of the side rope.
with a slip knot.
Slip knot man.
Insert
Whip.
Insert the end of the suspension rope to the first pulley. Insert the end of
Goker
the
wheel.
suspension rope to the first pulley.
Sayang mo. Handa awit.
Whip.
Insert the suspension weight and hang it on the first pulley.
Saan? Dave, tornilyo din eh.
Sige nga to na.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay. Insert
Yan.
Insert the suspension rope to the second pulley. Then pass it. Then pass
Okay.
it
Pass it
under the rest,
under the rest splint, but outside the.
but outside the traction rope.
Okay, so it's toy. Under. Next.
And tie it to the Thomas.
Excuse me.
Tie it to the Thomas splint
Okay.
with a closed hitch knot.
Seriously, oh. Patayin.
Patayin. Agit-ikitin.
Kasi ang ano school dyan, isa nag, ano.
Maroon dito si Matikatan. Napukaw.
Oh my God. I-post ko ta FB dito. Sa katawan, dakto na yan. Bakit naman yung ano niya, yung aparatus nyo, nakalas naman sa 21.
Madingan ni.
Ano nang nangyari?
Sige naman.
Madingan ni.
Hmm.